Good afternoon, everyone. Chris here. Just got done loading the truck and trailer and all the ice camping, ice fishing gear. We're headed up to the North Maine Woods in the morning, early. We got a bunch of guys coming up from central and southern Maine. Looking forward to 3 nights on the ice. I guess that's what we decided on. Gonna go in early tomorrow morning, come out Monday morning. Hopefully get you lots of good content. Got the new live scope. Of course, we got the Vexillar and lots of good bait. Now it's all up to us, I suppose. Unbelievable how much stuff you gotta load and lug and tug and just to make it comfortable. But if we're gonna stay out there that long, there's gonna be some brutal cold temperatures coming from what I gathered. Went up again yesterday, double checked the ice. There was 3 sleds and 3 pop-ups out on it. Just to be sure, can't be too safe. I know the ponds in central southern Maine and even some up here in the county are iffy in places. But hopefully we'll get you some content. I ordered a bunch of camera gear from the Amazon, but you pay, I don't know, $130, $140 a year for guaranteed 2-day delivery, and it's been guaranteed 2 weeks delivery at best up here in the Aroostook County. So we'll get going here, and we'll see you soon. Well, we made it. All set up. We'll get a few traps out. 8 to 10 inches ice on this side. About 5 to 6 on the other. It's made ice all day today. It's freaking cold out here. We've got quite the camp set up here. A couple of bunkhouses, cook shack, another one for storage. Hopefully get some real serious fishing done tomorrow and Sunday. Maybe try to get some cusk tonight. All right, let's go in the cook shack, meet everybody. I'll let Tim shut the curtain. But he's huddled up in here trying to stay warm. My thermometer says 15 degrees. These guys say it's full of shit.
Yeah.
I don't disagree. Eric Young, he's probably going to see him a lot on the channel. Old Normie Bullier.
He'll get more.
Yeah. Tim, you want to be on YouTube for the maiden voyage?
He's like I have a choice, doesn't it?
I can edit you out, buddy.
He's only hiding from the government.
He's the only one that's getting any excitement. He's had, I don't know, half dozen flags, and
yeah.
I think he's just...
If you could only eat wind.
Right on. All right, well, we'll make this quick because it's going to fog up quick. But we're up here in the North Maine Woods. Super cold out, which is good. It's making ice, so good enough. Bag of donuts, something there. Huh?
No weight.
No weight to it? No. Oh well. Next time. All right. Not a slammer, but first togue of the trip. Get him back in the water before he freezes his eyes up. Good. I think I'm gonna have to cut it. Big one.
Okay. Joey's got a Laker coming up. All right. Is that better, Mr. Producer? This is my first time as a cameraman. I ain't used to this stuff. Yeah, I am. I'm not like Joey. I don't catch right on to this stuff.
My IT guy.
There you go.
Oh, nice Laker.
Doesn't want to come up head first.
No, you don't.
Wrapped up.
Joey, you got to talk to him nice. Say, come here, fishy, fishy, fishy.
There he is. Nice.
Another nice one. That's right around that same. Good. Go up a little bit. There you go. He said
17, 18.
17, 18, yeah. Nice fish. Hold up and smile. Nice.
Nice fish, bud.
You want to clip?
Yeah, it's in his throat.
Can you get at it?
Clip nippers are right here.
Just cut it.
Oh, you got them right there. Nice fish, Joey.
Good job, pal. Really nice.
Take-
Here's the fish magnet today.
He is. Hi, Norm. She's blowing now. Oh no. Here comes Joey. He should have eaten the whole thing. For as long as he went. I mean, he's had it in his mouth for 2 hours. Oh, nice. Just took an hour of pulling to get to him. Nice.
Oh, nice.
Nice fish. You got your tape?
I don't care.
The scoop must have the.
24.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's too long for that. Go ahead.
Fold it in half. Oh,
Oh, 21, 20, 22,
nice fish.
22.
Nice
Roll it
fish.
up there, here.
Getting wet here.
It's on now. Alright. Anybody get any stick?
Right there on my chest. Oh, Dalton's got him. That's good.
Very nice.
Very nice toad. 22.
We'll take her.
Going in the hole.
We'll take her.
Nice job. On to the next.
Oh, nice.
I know, buddy. Wait just a second. Nice one. Go home. There you go. Ah, that was worth the move. Nice. Oh.
Good dog, Joe.
21.
Boys put me up a nice big tarp there so we get the grill going. Freaking wind is just stupid. Weather forecast, don't know what the hell they're doing. Anyway, grilling up some Jordan's hot dogs and some ribeyes steaks and sirloin strip steaks to grill for supper. But thankfully the boys come up with this contraption because downright rude out here. But still catching a few fish. You almost don't want your flags to go up. It's so cold, but we're getting there.
Oh yeah, Perkins giving us a schooling on togue fishing. We almost. Any life to him?
I don't know. I think I might have to pop it.
Yeah.
Angle that twice don't help. But that's how the other one started.
Yeah, you were quite a ways in before you hit him. He's there.
Getting bigger with an R.
Well, that's why we only have 25 letters in the alphabet. H works just as good for us as an R.
Well, I thought he did. I have it all screwed up.
Another nice one.
Yeah.
Decent. It's that one. That one's got to be right around 18.
This flyer, give me that flyer. Right there.
Right there, the orange. you
No, no.
chunky? Okay. There you go. Nice fish.
Probably 18. Not his gills.
Okay.
All right. Day one's coming to an end here. Actually, day two, I guess. Yesterday we spent most of the day setting up and trying not to freeze to death. But we had a great day today, other than the cold. I've never had a time where I was getting discouraged catching fish. I think I had 7 togue today and 1 good cusk right at the end of the day here. I was gonna cuss fish tonight, but my fingers can't take any more of it. I don't, never bothered me as bad as it does now, but man, miserable day tending traps. Say miserable. It was obviously a good time. Damn cold. I guess you can't piss them off about it. Boys, Joey got a couple togue. Eric got a salmon, I think, nice salmon. And Tim got a nice togue. We still got tomorrow. Hopefully tonight this damn wind decides to go away.
Good.
You got her?
Yep. Another nice fish.
Toad number 6 for me today. Ordinarily you'd enjoy it, but it's so damn cold out. My hands are froze. Anyway, here we go. Thank you, brother. That was that shiner.
Nice. Good fish. All right. Now we'll get warm.
Yeah. I don't think there's anything on this one, folks.
They might have left and come back.
Yeah, there's still there's yeah, he just
Them county boys, I'm telling you right now. They just like to take us flatlanders out fishing just so they can show us off.
big old cask. We'll take it. It's been a hell of a day.
Yep. Here we are. I don't know what time it is, but it's dark 30. And here Norm is bringing in the fish.
Not there. Nope, not there.
No way.
Nope. You. Nope.
Wow. Oh well, I guess we'll pick up traps and call it a night tonight. Here we are doing a little afternoon eating dinner and playing the main game, a little bit of cribbage. Enjoying after a nice spaghetti feed on the ice.
Yep. Something's on you.
Something spooled him. It'll take a while probably catch up to that, buddy.
Yeah, you ain't kidding, mate.
What was you fishing for out here, Norm? Salmon?
I actually had to set real low.
You did? Oh yeah. It'd be a little square or a fork tail.
pulling in like a block.
Yep. See, folks, the wind's still blowing. It's supposed to stop Friday. Here it is Sunday. It's been a brutal cold weekend. But the boys been diehard.
Good taste tonight.
Yes, ribeyes on the grill tonight, on the ice. Boys have been pretty diehard for sure. Oh, spoon. He said his own hook, Norm. Get him out of there. Nice, buddy. You're on the board, brother.
Oh, yeah, I even got my thing for me. So, everything's on my... No. I'm gonna clip it.
Hold him up so we get a good
20.
picture.
20.
Now get him right back. 20-incher, nice frog. Look at that. Hold her right out, Norm, so we get a good one. Nice, nice. Good job, buddy. Woohoo! Nice one, buddy. All right.
I gotta get my hands warmed up before I go any further with that.
Yes, sir.
That was awesome.
I'm gonna grab this end off.
Okay, Tim Flaker. Still waiting to get a measurement. Twenty, 22 and a half? Yep. Nice, nice Flaker, bud. Here you go. That way his eyes don't freeze. Here you go. Correct. There you go. Correct. There he goes. Nice. Nice.
Well, we just got home. Spent 3 nights in the North Maine Woods, ice camping and ice fishing. Had a really good time. It was you'll hear throughout the video or about the cold. It was crazy, stupid cold. We watched the forecast for up around the Clayton Lake area. It's fairly close, and they were way off. It was supposed to blow. It was supposed to blow maybe Friday, idle down for the weekend, but Friday night came. Saturday, we iced a pile of fish. Saturday, I think we got 10 or 11 togue. I got a big cusk, nice cusk at the end of the day. And I think a salmon. One of the boys got a salmon, a few other togues. So 11 togue, 1 cusk, and a salmon, I guess, is the count. Sunday wasn't much of anything, except 0 degrees and 30-mile-an-hour winds. It was crazy. But all in all, we had a good time, ate some good food. I really wish I could have got more footage of that, but I think we did it on 4 cell phone cameras, and everybody kind of took video where they could and sent it to me, and I'm going to try and edit all this together. So hopefully you've seen a decent video. It's not going to be professional by any means, but I'm home now. We got up early this morning because we were afraid our tents were going to blow to Millinocket, and we were going to be laying in our bunks with no cover. That's how hard it was blowing. I took the first load back to the truck. I flip over shack at about 4:30 because I was honestly afraid that the snow sleds weren't going to start, but I had it running, so I started hauling. But we had a good time. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, maybe give us a like and a subscribe. I guess that helps us out. So I had to add Harley Dog into the video. She's missed Dad over the last few days and won't stay out of my lap. But I figured while I was back in here, my buddies that went with us this weekend will be watching this video, I'm sure. And I just wanted to make sure and remind them that I caught the most and the biggest fish for the weekend. So just a little dig to them. Take care.